Pancakes are one of my favourite things to make for breakfast with the family. I'm going to show you how you can add fruit and veggies for a fun twist on the classic pumpkin and blueberry pie pancakes. Start with the milk and egg. Take a large jug, add some milk, an egg, and mix them together. You can do this with a balloon whisk or just use a fork. Next, grab a large bowl and put in the self-raising flour, sugar, and bicarbonate of soda. Give this a good stir and make sure that they're well combined. Then make a well in the centre for the milk mixture. Pour the milk mixture into the well. Now grab a whisk or a fork and start stirring from the centre. That way you gradually incorporate the flour mixture into the milk until you have a nice smooth batter. You could use this batter as is to make plain pancakes, but I'm adding extra ingredients to give them a pumpkin and blueberry pie flavour. I've got some grated pumpkin, blueberries, cinnamon and nutmeg. And give that a good stir. Then cover with plastic wrap and we're going to let that rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. Don't skip this step. Resting the batter gives you beautifully light and fluffy pancakes. I'm also making a blueberry compote to serve with the pancakes. This is really simple and it takes less than 10 minutes. Get a frying pan, add blueberries, maple syrup, vanilla bean, and some cinnamon. Bring that up to a simmer over medium-high heat, then cook for 5 minutes. Just stir occasionally to stop the mixture from sticking to the pan. It's ready when it thickens slightly and looks syrupy. Turn it off and leave it to cool in the pan. If you don't have a lot of time in the morning, just whip up your compote the day before and keep it covered in the fridge. Time to cook the pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Then brush with some melted butter. If you measure out your batter, you'll get even-sized pancakes. I'm using 1/4 cup measure and I should get about 16 pancakes. Cook for about 2 minutes each side. You'll know when the pancake's ready to flip because you'll see little bubbles on the surface and then they start to pop. Turn and cook for another minute until it's light golden and cooked through. If you're not sure, press lightly on the centre and the pancake will bounce back. Lift onto a plate and cover with some foil to keep warm. Keep going until you used up all the batter. Remember to brush the pan with more melted butter as you go. Now for the best part, pile up the pancakes on the plates and add a dollop of vanilla yogurt or cream on top. Spoon over some sticky blueberry compote and sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. These pumpkin and blueberry pie pancakes are a delicious treat for brekkie on the weekend and make a great dessert too. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more breakfast inspiration, check out our Easy Breakfast Ideas playlist here.